Lights are low, the day is done. Mike tells his robot about the fun. Gran turns 80 Saturday. A koala cake, a big display. The street all knows they're keeping tight, but Gran's still in the dark tonight. How sweet, the robot says goodnight, and Mike sleeps tight. In the park, a tablet screen. Mike's own voice plays out the scene.
Kisha's grandma turns 80 on Saturday, and her whole family is throwing a huge surprise party. There will be a cake shaped like a koala.
Oh no, that secret's mine. 11,000 views online. That wasn't meant to show, my friend. Call Mike quick from end to end. Hey Kisha, what's the news today? Mike, the grand thing's out this way. On mine, I only told my toy. It shared your voice, oh girl and boy. To the park, the captain cried. I'm coming, Mike replied. Kisha, sorry, I never knew my toy could pass my words on through. A toy should never share or send the family secret of a friend. Cap says the store can pull it kind. The party soon, no time behind. Then to the store, that's what we choose. A party secret we can't lose. Did a warning ever say, this toy records the words you say? Tiny print, I passed it by. That's the trap, it's far too tiny. Sir, please take the video down. Toy Moments 4 is gone now.
Let me check. Done. It should be removed from the public feed very soon.
Thank you, Mike is glad. Grand surprise won't turn out bad. It's okay, but here's the deal. Don't tell my secrets to something unreal.